Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Lee from Vapor Clean Cleaning Services, and today we're going to review the Smol Dishwasher tablets. We've all seen the marketing, but let's try out the product. Is it as eco-friendly as they say, and does it work? Before we get started though, if you want to learn more about how to clean better while saving time, money and the planet along the way, click subscribe below, turn on the notifications and check out more of our channels as they're posted. Now let's dive right in and check out this product in a little bit more detail. First of all, the ordering process. Online, very easy, very simple and quick to order. Obviously the first pack is a free trial, which is great. That's all I've ordered here. I've set up the free trial, they've come along. As you do that, you do set up your next repeat orders. It automatically sends you out your next batch as and when you need it, determined by how many washes that you say you do. I typically, family of 4, put the dishwasher on once a day on average. It might go up and down a little bit from there, but I think they allow for that because I've put that into their system and they say I'm going to get a new pack a couple of days before this runs out. But let's have a look at the actual product. So, you know, it's cruelty free, it's not tested on animals, and it's 100% plastic free, which is fantastic. It's absolutely amazing. The boxes themselves, the design, they're really, really appealing. So I can see why when you see these, you want to jump on and give them a try. And I may, after the test of this, be using them myself. I might not cancel my subscription. Let's see. I'll let you know at the end whether or not I decide going to or not. So let's dive into the box. The joke of this is I've spoken to a couple of people that have also tried them and they struggle a little bit with the box. So they do put some clear instructions on the back. So let's see how we get on. There is a little bit of a sticker on the front there to keep that shut. And first step is just simply to push your finger in or thumb and pop that section out. Open that up. And then the next step is to break off some tabs. So pull that and pull that, and that comes off. And same this side. And the back there. And then just with your thumb and your fingers, pinch the sides and just push that. And there we go. And there they are. That is your tablets. Seem very small compared to some, but the test will be in the usage, won't it? Nice little leaflet in the side here as well. Thank you for giving our revolutionary high-performance eco-friendly dishwash tablets a try. Paula and Nick, founders of Smol. And then inside we have some very clear instructions, which I'm not sure how you can really get them wrong, but use only in a dishwasher. Do not unwrap the tablets. Do not pierce, break or crush the tablet. Do not put tablet in the cutlery basket. Certain items are not suitable for cleaning in dishwashers. I think if you get any of those wrong, it's your own fault. But there we go, we have the product. Now we're gonna nip over to my house and we're gonna give it a go. So Smol dishwasher tablets, I've been using them now for about a month. And what do I think of them? Well, honestly, I'm going to continue using them. I think they're really good. It's very, very easy. We get them come through the post regularly. I can pause a delivery if I want to, or increase a delivery. It's really, really easy. And they work really well. Are they the best thing since sliced bread? Probably not. But they're also almost trying to reinvent the wheel. But they are much more eco-friendly and they are zero plastic, which is amazing stuff and exactly what we're looking for. So Smol dishwasher tablets, should you use them? Why not? You've got nothing to lose. They're definitely worth a go. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Please do drop us a comment below, click subscribe, check out some more of our videos if you want to learn how to clean better while saving time, money along the way, as well as the environment wherever possible. Thanks very much. Have a good day. Bye.